Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for your support. So, I love you all guys. Today's video is an amazing facial mask. It's about how to look 10 years younger. In this video, I am using just 2 ingredients that you easily find in your kitchen. So, let's get started. Our first ingredient is potato. Potato can do wonders for the skin. It contains vitamin B, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. First, I'm gonna wash and peel the potato off skin. When you apply potato to your skin, it's gonna get rid of acne scars, dark spots, pimples, blemishes. Potato is also gonna make your skin really clear and it's gonna leave a nice glow to your skin. Now, I'll grate the potato. I don't recommend blend the potato, so try the grater. Next, I'm gonna strain the potato. I'm using a bowl and a strainer to get the potato juice. When I get it, just leave it for half an hour to easily extract the potato starch.
It tasted like those cigarettes staring.
Now, I'm gonna extract the starch from the potato.
In my arms, you're safe and sound without a threat.
Take the second bowl and slowly pour the potato juice out. Just slowly.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? How far can we get if we sail a little bit?
This is the starch from the potato.
Our lips, it tasted like those cigarettes staring at the.
The second ingredient is egg. I'm gonna use egg in this recipe because it contains vitamin A. Now, when you apply vitamin A on the skin, it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and shrink large pores. Now, I'm gonna prepare the egg. In this recipe, I'm gonna use the egg white.
A little bit high, a little bit long. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high?
Add the potato starch to the egg white.
We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Mix them well.
Our lips, it tasted like those cigarettes staring at the moon. We'd go to bed.
Now, this is what it looks like.
You're safe and sound without a threat, and I can't.
Use this recipe twice a week to get the best result.
What happens next? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high? A little.
Leave it for 50 minutes. After this, wash your face.
Far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long?
Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and let me know what you wanna see next in a comment below. Subscribe if you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.